Friends, I wanted to tell you how to turn viewport background in Cinema 4D. Normally, when you go to Preferences, there is option in Scheme Colors in the viewport. We have got background gradient 1 and background gradient 2, but nothing happens. If you want viewport 3D to reactivate it, you have to go to viewport display. I think, did I say correctly? Okay, viewport display. I barely could see. After selecting this box, you will be able to see everything. You will be able to see viewport background. I wanted to do some modifications. I hope you like my video tutorial. Oh, again, I don't like when someone interrupts me. My dogs started to bark, people, but this will not stop me. I am glad that OBS Studio has button pause, because I can pause my video. Sorry people, my dogs were barking. This tutorial was how to enable a gradient viewport background in Cinema 4D, because many people probably want to work like that. It's up to you, because I prefer to work like that. Is easier. It is easy for me to work enabling viewport background. What we got here? I wanted to check if I can or change color of the work plane. It was possible. I hope you like my video tutorial. And for some it could be better to work. Also, I forgotten to mention, you can change viewport interface. The interface you can change, so you can see vector. Because I don't like when it's too dark. I used to work with Cinema 4D in old version. Old version was little bit better because you could see in the interface theme, dark or bright theme. I can't remember, it was light or dark. They removed that feature for some reasons, but